What's going on? We just got some news of a petition that's being signed as we speak to try to get the $2,000 stimulus check every single month for at least the next 6 months. Now, to make sure the White House actually sees this petition, we have to get it to at least 100,000 signatures. I'm going to be leaving the link below to check that out and actually sign it. The more signatures we have, the more power we have onto the government in trying to get these $2,000 checks sent out to everybody. Everybody could use some extra cash, so it's great that this petition is in effect. And even when they reach 100,000 signatures, it's going to be even better if we double that goal. 200,000 signatures, that's going to be crazy. And the catch is we just have to do it in the next 3 days. So if you're watching this video and you want $2,000 a month, make sure you share this with somebody and make sure they sign that petition. Again, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. So go check that out. If you like making money, I'm also going to leave a link to get some free stocks on Webull and Robinhood. If it's your first time doing stocks, don't worry, it's super simple. I just started this year and started making a lot of money real easily. If you want to learn more about that, my Instagram link is going to be down below. Check that out. I post there daily about stocks, tips, and different stocks that I've been investing in that I see blowing up. If you are interested in stocks or making money, head over to that Instagram. Make sure you check out my stocks highlight where I post most of the tips and the stories every single day. If you like tech and money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Tap that like button so YouTube will push this video and we can get that $2,000 every single month. And before I end this video, let me know down in the comments if you think this $2,000 a month stimulus is going to happen, or they're gonna have another round of $1,200 stimulus checks, or if you think something totally different is gonna happen, let us know. We definitely wanna find out as soon as possible. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.